Hello. So today I'm going to film my Balance Athletica Kingdom pre-sale haul, and I'm gonna do like a try on and everything. So they launched Kingdom, I believe in like July, and they did a pre-order, which I personally really like the pre-orders because then I'm guaranteed to get everything that I want, even though there was a few other things I kind of wanted to get, but I was like, I need to calm down. I know who Balance Athletica is. They are an activewear brand. They're based in Colorado. I found them probably maybe a year or so ago through somebody that I follow on Instagram. Her name is Bailey. I will link her down below. She has great workouts and guides and everything like that, so I'll link her down below. She has actually helped me, her guides and stuff have helped me a lot, but that's for another video with my weight loss journey, if you will. So the first leggings I have, I also got them in the shorts as well, are the Python print leggings. They are, I actually originally didn't even order the leggings. I originally just ordered the rider shorts, and then I had such FOMO about not getting the leggings. So someone was actually selling them in one of these groups that I'm a part of on Facebook, and I was like, yeah, I'll buy them. They don't have a front seam, which is something that I really like that Balance does. They don't do any front seams anymore. I know some people don't mind the front seam, but for me, I need no front seam. And then they have the contour on the butt, which you'll be able to see, and this is their older logo, which they just started doing their newer one, which is just the triangle on the back. These are the Ascend leggings. They have a few different leggings within their brand, and they do for each collection, they'll do maybe Ascend, or they'll do the OG leggings and stuff like that. But obviously when they launch it, they tell you which kinds are in. In that same print, I did get the rider shorts as well in Python. I really like these, the print and everything. They had regular shorts, I believe, and then they had the rider shorts. I went with the rider shorts based off a lot of the leaders reviews and everything like that. I'm not a huge short person, so I was skeptical, but sometimes, in the summer when it gets so hot, I'm just oh my god, I need something. So I figured the rider shorts would be good, because then I can also hike them up a little bit if I want them to be a little bit shorter. But I was this is fabulous. In the rider shorts, I got the King Cheetah, which they are so fabulous. Again, no front seam, contour on the butt, fabulous. I don't think I mentioned this. I'm in a size medium for all these leggings. I honestly think I could have sized down, only because since from then, I think I've lost a little bit of inches and stuff like that. They're not super baggy on me, so it's not that big of a deal, but I'm starting to kind of like something a little bit more compressive. So for more compression, I probably could have sized down. But usually in Balance stuff, I'm a medium for all their leggings, but just for future, I might try and size down in other collections, just to kind of see, just so I have options, but I'm not, again, it's not a deal breaker for me, because if my butt grows or if my legs grow, I have smaller legs, my legs are the smallest part of me. Also in King Cheetah, I got the leggings. I don't know, I just really wanted to have both, because why not? So again, King Cheetah leggings, another pair of leggings from somebody through one of the Facebook groups I'm a part of, and I have worn these, so I can kind of testify, I guess, for the review portion of it. They are amazing. They still feel these, okay, so I'll just show you. These are, I believe they're not the snow leopard. I will leave the name because I honestly forgot the name of them. They're just, gray, black, fabulous. So as far as how they've held up, because I've had these since the summertime, and I've worn these so much already, and they have been holding up fabulously. Let me tell you, fabulously. Things since the summertime, and what's December? So at least 4 months, I would say, because I bought them from somebody off of Facebook, and they feel exactly the quality still feels exactly like the new ones that I bought. I mean, obviously there's a little bit of wear to them, but there's no pilling. The stretch is still really good. They haven't stretched out or anything. There's no you know, fraying on like the stitching or anything. I personally really like the quality of Balance's leggings, and that's why I continue to buy from them. Also, I just like them as a company themselves. So two things I got were the form bras from them. I believe, no, it's not the form bras. I will link again, lists again what the name of them are, because there was two bras that launched. One of them was a bra recommended for like smaller chest sizes, and the other one has a zipper, which is the one that I have here. This I sized down in. Normally, like for the most part, their sizing is a little frustrating because sometimes it's not always true to size. So sometimes I'm a large in their bras, sometimes I'm a medium in their bras. It just depends, I guess, on which ones that they launch. But watching like the leaders do their reviews and their try-ons help tremendously with figuring out like what size I'm gonna be. Usually if I am a medium, or if I like size to a medium in the tops, they're just a little bit more compressive if like I'm supposed to be a large, if that makes sense. So this is what it looks like. It zips up in front and then it's like crisscrossy on the back. I really like this bra. I had a similar bra from Victoria's Secret, and anytime I would do kickboxing with it, no bueno. No bueno. Again, I did buy one of these black bras off of somebody on Facebook, and I wore it to kickboxing, and it was really like, it held me in, it was great. Doing burpees, I will say, was like a little like, my boobs didn't, like, not to be TMI, they didn't like fall out, but they were a little bit looser like on the top because it's not as compressive on the top, I find. But it does work when I do kickboxing. I do prefer something like super compressive, obviously, when I'm doing kickboxing. So a lot of the times I won't wear my Balance bras there. I really just use them weightlifting, but I got them in this, the color, like I think it's, you know, midnight is what they call it. It's black. And the same bra, just in white. Again, this is what it looks like on the back. Has a little Balance logo, crisscross. Again, so I really like their stuff. I definitely think it's worth trying at least, like, you know, one or two pieces from them. I bought something from their Outlander collection. I bought a pair of leggings and a bra, and then the cropped zip, which is like chef's kiss. I wish I got more because they're pretty much it for my Balance haul. If you like to see these videos, if you like hauls, especially the try-on hauls, just let me know in the comments below. I'm very new to this whole like clothing and trying on type thing. I never did this when I used to like do more YouTube videos and stuff like that, which are all on private right now. But if you want to follow me on my fitness Instagram, it's listed down below. I kind of post food that I do, my progress, everything like that. I'm still learning as far as like with my fitness and everything goes, so you know, I'm probably not doing everything right, but that's okay. It's about learning. Thank you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.